How to make a PB&J. First you put the butter, or peanut butter, on a piece of bread. Stop laughing, Danielle.
Don't put that in. Yeah, yellow butter. That's going to be fun.
I know, doesn't it look awesome? Okay, and then we put jelly on, just like that.
Delicious.
You can use a knife or a fork or a spoon or your finger. It does not matter.
You could use grape jelly, apricot jelly,
or apple, or strawberry, or any other kind of jelly.
No, just apricot.
You suck, Aaron.
Just apricot.
You suck. Just apricot. Hi! Okay, has it got me this time? Because last time on the last video it did not. I don't want that on there.
Get over it.
Like, get off the camera. Oh,
no, get off my face.
It's Jif. It's the peanut, and it's that. Well,
Welch's.
yeah,
Potato.
Welch's. Welch's, get Welch's or Smuckers or
What is that?
or Garden Club.
Garden Club apricot preserves.
Okay, well, bye.
No,
Okay, no, wait. It's done. It's done.
You put the two pieces together and you
WTF.
And then you eat the crust.
Yes, then you eat the crust, or if you don't like the crust, you can throw it away. Okay, Danielle, take the bite. See if it's good.
Hold on. You must test it.
Test it, Danielle.
Testing. 1, 2.
Look at Snitzel. Look at Yeah, there's Snitzel, my dog. Okay, ready?
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
1,
Bing.
2. Oh my gosh, is it good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, high five, Skillet. Skillet, high five. Yeah.
Woo! Okay.